Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another video. In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix Fortnite download speed slow. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is simply go ahead and force close both your Epic Games Launcher and your Fortnite. Then simply right click on the Epic Games Launcher, click on Open File Location and right click on Epic Games Launcher again and click on Show More Options and go to Properties. This is where you want to go to Compatibility Settings and make sure that Run This Program as Administrator is turned on so it gets the most priority for internet. The other thing you want to do is right click on your network settings and go to network and internet settings, go inside of Ethernet or Wi-Fi, whatever you're connected with, and then click on edit on DNS server assignment. This is where you want to turn your DNS from automatic DHCP to manual and turn on IPv4. Make sure that your preferred DNS is 8.8.8.8 and your alternate is 8.8.8.4 and click on save, which should go ahead and fix your problem. However, if it still doesn't, you might need to restart your PC and your router, which will go ahead and fix your problem. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below and I'll see you on the next one.